By the bridge in the early morning, heard that sidearm farm boy calling on his knees. I heard him wheezing in the air by the stables. Round about the break of day, I heard that 6-foot canal boy say, "Wind in my eyes, you call me sleeping. Call me with that plow girl, she was weeping." I heard them whispering, their words were scissoring. They said, "Look out, kid, it's only Uncle Raymond crying in the rain of the day." In the cornfield at the break of dusk, heard that scarecrow lost his luck. Time's running out. I saw him kneeling down to pray, and by the time they caught old Sal, Uncle Raymond had another gal. Wind in my eyes, you caught me sleeping. Call me with that plow girl, she was something. I heard them whispering, the words were scissoring. They said, "Look out, kid, it's only Uncle Raymond crying in the rain of the day." In the rain of the day. In the rain of the day. In the rain of the day. And by the time they caught old Sal, Uncle Raymond had another gal. Wind in my eyes, you call me sleeping. Call me with that little plow girl, man, she was weeping. I heard them whispering, the words were scissoring. Oh, they said, "Look out, kid, only Uncle Raymond